Hey, how is it going? Here's another video on vowel sounds. In this video, you will find the nasal sounds. I have explained the vowel sounds in French and how they work in my previous video. Have you watched my video on vowel sounds? If you haven't, please press this I button. Check that out and come back before I continue. La langue française, c'est très facile. Un grand-oncle mange un pain blanc. A tall uncle is eating a white bread. Repeat after me again. Un grand-oncle mange un pain blanc. We have got some nasal sounds in this sentence. So, what are they? Un grand-oncle mange un pain blanc. Each word is having a nasal sound. Extraordinaire! Let's see if you can remember the list of vowel sounds which I have taught in my previous video. Repeat after me. I, E, A, O, U. Now, question for you. Which sounds among these could be nasal? E, A, no. A, yes. A, yes. It could be nasal. A, it is a short A. O, yes. It could be nasal. O, no. There is no nasal. U, no. U, yes. Open sound. Could be nasal. And finally, mute. No, it could not be nasal. So we got 4 sounds which could be nasal. And they are A, O, Before I give some examples, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my videos. So, the nasal sounds are A, O, and Here are the examples. Repeat after me. Pain, manger, blanc, français, grand, oncle, ombre, un. So whenever you see N or M, and if there is a vowel sound before N or M, there is a possibility of a nasal sound. Here are the vowel combinations with examples. Pain, main. So whenever you see the combination of AIN or EIN, there will be the sound of an. For example, pain, main, and likewise, chambre, grand, oncle, nombre, brun, parfum, bien, chien, point, soin. C'est tout pour cette leçon. If you like my videos, please share with your friends who are learning French language or are enthusiastic about learning French language like you. Glad to know that my videos are making you interested in learning this language. Till next time, au revoir.